Happy morning, students. We are in the latest number set of whole numbers. Whole number set is the latest set that we know. In whole numbers, we use numbers for measuring purposes also. That's why the number 0 is included in that to denote the starting point of any measurement. And it is also used as a means for counting also. So whole number serves the purpose of measurement as well as counting. Okay. And we have studied about some of the characteristics. Now we can use this distributive property to do some sums easily. Normally we are asked to find some products. It is the kind of problems only we will be using. So here I have taken one such a set of numbers and finding the product. So see, find the product of 75 multiplied by 102 using distributive property. So how will you use the distributive property to find the value? So in this one, 75 by multiplied by 102 is equal to 75 multiplied by 102 is split as 100 plus 2. Okay, why I have split it into 100 plus 2? Why not 50 plus 52? So just it is a question of why a specific this one. See, multiplication of any number by 100 is easier than 50. You just have to add two zeros to find the product of any number multiplied by 100. Okay, so if it is above 1000 means a number is above 1000. Says 1005. So you can split 1005 as 1000 plus 5 because multiplication of any number by 1000 is easier. You just have to add 3 zeros to find the product of a number. So now in this one, 75 into 102, it is written 75 multiplied by 100 plus 2. So in this one, the RHS of the above expression is identified with the left hand side distributive property of multiplication over addition. This one. See, if you see this one, after splitting it, it looks like A multiplied by B plus C, something like this. You can you can relate 75 to A multiplied by 100 to B and plus 2 to C. So it looks like the left hand side expression of the distributive law. So you can write it as 75 this is compared to A multiplied by B plus C. So A equal to 75, B equal to 100 and C equal to 2. This way you can correspond it. Now you will not be rewriting this. You can replace this left hand side with the right hand side of the expression using the distributive law. I mean A into B plus C is left hand side of the distributive law. We are going to replace it with the right hand side. See, they are asking us to using distributive property. Using distributive property, where are we using the distributive law? Here, at this step, we are using the distributive law. How? We are going to replace the expression A into B plus C. A multiplied over B plus C will be replaced with the right hand side of the distributive law, which is right hand side of the distributive law is A multiplied by B plus B A multiplied by C. A over B plus A over C. We are substituting the values for A and B, 75 multiplied by 100 plus 75 multiplied by 2. You know the value of this 75 followed by 2 zeros. So it is 7500. 75 2s are 150. Double of 75 is 150, so you have written it. So 7500 plus 150 is 7650. So this is computed easily. You can check this answer by your direct method of multiplication. You can separately do it and check also. Okay, but we have asked you to find the product using distributive property. So you will have to do like this only. Okay, you are just splitting the term 102 or factor 102 as 100 plus 100 plus 2 and then using the distributive law to you are identifying the expression as the left hand side of the distributive property law and then you are replacing it with the right hand side of the distributive law, and finally finding the answer 7650, which is faster and easier. Once you master this method, you will be able to do it faster. So we'll go to the next. See, there is one another expression given like this: 81 multiplied by 41 plus 81 multiplied by 59. Compute the value of this. Just by seeing this, you are seeing that there is a 81 here, there is another one 81 here. There are two terms, okay, and 81 is same, and it is being added. So it looks something like, multiplication is this, adders there, two terms are there. So you can recognize that it is looking something like the right hand side expression of the distributive law or property. So you can find the product of this using distributive property. Okay, this is the problem given. You will have to compute it using the distributive property. You cannot straight away, you can find the value of 81 and 41 by multiplying it. You can find the product 81 and 59, and then you can add both the products, but it will be time taking. But I am using the distributive law to cut short the time and do it easily. I see that 41 plus 59 equal to 100. So I will be using that distributive property. So I just first identify it. The above expression is identified with the right hand side expression of the distributive property of multiplication over addition. This is something like this, right hand side, A into B plus A into C. So this is A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C, where A stands for 81, B stands for 41, and C stands for 59. It is something like 81 here, so A here, written in blue color. Okay, so now it is we will have to use the distributive property. So what we will see is, instead of doing the right hand side of it, we will replace the right hand side with the left hand side of the distributive property. So it is equal to A into B plus C. We have replaced the right hand side of the expression of the distributive property with the left hand side expression of the distributive property. So we will substitute for A, B, C, A 81 and multiplied by B 41 and C 59. So 41 plus 59 equal to 100. Yeah, already seen. So the product is 8100, 8100.